Okay, so let's go through the integration of the part C, right? So we are asked to integrate square root x plus 1 bracket square. So how do we actually do the integration? Okay, so to do this, we need to first expand. Meaning, for example, right, square root x plus 1, and after that, square root x plus 1. So you expand, you do the rainbow method, right? So meaning you will get x plus 2 square root x plus 1. So what we need to do now is actually to make this in terms of pure indices. So you will get something like x plus 2 x to the power of half. And after that, plus 1. So of course, the last step is to integrate term by term. Because you see there's 3 terms, like 1, 2, and 3. So you integrate. So for example, you integrate x d. Then I'll just put everything as such. So x plus 2x half plus 1. The whole thing, right? dx. So the first is integrate x, right? So it's x to the power of 1. That's right, x to the power of 2, because 1 plus 1, right? So divide by 2. Okay, the second one, so 2 just put it aside, meaning you'll get 2 x 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. The last one, integrate 1, right? It's just x. Of course, don't forget to plus a c. Okay, the last step is to simplify. So the first term, just put as half x squared. Second term, 2. Okay, so to simplify the second term right here, you simply just put like that. So for example, right, 2x 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, right? So what you want to do is actually to keep change flip, meaning 2x 3 over 2 times 2 thirds. Then after you get something like this, right? So 4x 3 over 2 over 3. So this will give you 4 thirds x 3 over 2 plus x plus c. So that is how we actually do this part C. Of course, you might be wondering, why don't I just use the so-called this method, right? So for example, integrate square root x plus 1, right, to the power of 2 dx. I can actually use this. For example, I'll get square root x plus 1 to the power of 3, right, divide by 3. Then I differentiate inside, I put here. So we can't do this because apparently, right, inside the bracket is not linear. So you can see there's x to the power of half, right? So we cannot use this method. This method is only for linear. Meaning, for example, we can only use this method provided if I see this, for example, 2x plus 1 to the power of 5. Then you can use this method. Because inside this bracket right here is linear. So that is how we do part C.